foundation is severely undercut here. Yeah. We need to secure the porch posts immediately. That balcony won't last the hour.
Look at the stress fracture on that column. The porch is unstable.
We need to adjust the monitoring points immediately.
Look at the foundation specs for the tower. It won't hold in this wind. We have to reinforce the porch structure first, then maybe we can address the tower. Move the beams faster. Almost done clearing this section. Heads up, big wave incoming.
Pull that section down. All right, watch out below. This one's heavy, give me a hand. Yeah. All right, push it towards the pile by the fence. Careful with that lattice, it's falling apart. Yeah. Bring the wheelbarrow over here, we need to clear these stairs next. Watch your footing in the mud. Careful with that beam up there. Yeah. Lower it slowly, watch the left side.
Watch it when that comes down. Yeah.
Where did this trim piece go?
Label that one Porch E for reuse. This section around the window is completely rotted out. We'll need to replace the beams here. This post won't hold much longer. Mark it for replacement. I'll shore it up temporarily.
Looks like the rot goes deeper than we thought. Yeah. Aye, I've marked it up to here. We'll need a full replacement beam. Watch the pressure on that beam, it's shifting. Okay, easing off the jack now. Pull that mesh tighter on your end. All right, hold it there while I drill this anchor. Hold that stud steady. Yeah. Nailing it in now. Watch your hands on this side.
Hold that end steady. All right, secure the corner post now. Ready with the next section.
Trim is secure on the left. Center pane is set. Looks good, let's double check the seals before the fog thickens. Is the bracing secure down there? It looks good, but the wind is strong up here. We need to finish the shell before the next storm hits. How's the flashing on the tower base? Almost secure. Hand me the sealant.
Hold that trim steady right there. Okay, I've got it. Hand me the nail gun.
All right, lift the glass panel. Slowly, watch the trim on the right. It's seated, start securing it.
Mark that crack there. It goes all the way up to the ceiling joist. Got it. We need to check the flashing above this window too.
That sconce is secure. Ready when you are. And there we have it. Perfect.
We need to start the cuts right here. Okay, I've got the measurement. Setting the saw now. Check the measurement on that last piece. It's good. Cut the next one at 45.